The Oral-B IO Series 5 is designed to give you a fully customizable brushing experience with 5 cleaning modes and a smart pressure sensor system. Each mode adjusts intensity and timing to match different oral care needs. Daily Clean is the standard mode for everyday plaque removal with balanced power. Sensitive mode reduces intensity by about 30%, making it ideal for tender gums or after dental work. Gum Care extends brushing time to 3 minutes and uses gentle pulsations to stimulate the gum line. Intense Clean increases vibration frequency for deeper cleaning but should only be used a few times per week. Whitening mode alternates speeds to target surface stains and works best when paired with whitening toothpaste. The 360 degrees pressure ring provides real-time feedback. Red means you're brushing too hard and should ease up. White indicates optimal pressure. If there's no light, you may need slightly more contact for effective cleaning. The system automatically reduces speed if you press too firmly, helping prevent enamel wear and gum recession. When paired with the Oral-B app, the brush tracks 6 zones of your mouth and offers live coaching to improve coverage and consistency. For best results, start with sensitive mode if you're new, use Daily Clean for routine brushing, and rotate specialized modes as needed.